Vedic tradition is not stopping any pleasure of your life. You need to understand. The excitement created by verbalization, excitement infused by visualization, excitement infused by the Kundalini awakening, your consciousness waking up. These are the 3 levels of Shaktipada you go through. Every day in your life, these 3 Shaktipada, any one you go through, or all 3. But always in these 3 something will be happening. If all the 3 are not happening, you will not be alive. You will be in depression. Literally dead, waiting for the breathing to stop. Waiting for the breathing to stop. Listen carefully. Listen intensely. And I wanted everyone to be very clear. Balasans have the first right over me. They do not need to logically cognize what I am talking. I am recording the whole thing into their being. I am leaving thousands of conscious archives by producing these balasans. You do not know now why I am giving so much of energy, importance, attention in my things to do list, in my priorities list. Morning, first thing when I wake up, I'll check temple. Has everything gone proper in the temple? Can we do something more? Because we are agamic traditions. We are agamic tradition means deity-based bhakti. For us, Sadashiva is not some thin air theory. He is solid Adinavasi here. He is a resident Adinavasi here. For us, he is a resident Adinavasi. So first thing I will check whether everything has gone right in the temple. The second thing, balasans. Their biomemory and muscle memory is growing. This whole satsang and Shaktipada getting into their system, you will see each balasan sitting here and listening to satsang is equivalent to 1 lakh adults sitting here and listening. Because through each balasan, lakhs of adults are going to listen to me. You can sit in the front, no problem, but don't hide. That's all. Now you are in the right place. Listen, these 3 fuels. Verbalization instigated excitement. Visualization instigated excitement. Kundalini instigated power. In these 3, any one Shaktipada will be always happening in your life. Without all these 3, you can't be alive. If all these 3 are not there, that's what I call depression or depression, to make it more raw. Stuck. Not knowing what to do, not moving what to do, not flowing with life. Understand? more and more getting comfortable with the Kundalini based excitement and functioning is Ishwaratva. Listen. Verbal inspiration, if it makes you functional, you will be a very logical person. Doing all the logical work, you will be so excited and you will be almost like a settled, you are in your best. I have seen few people, all they need is just a microphone. You don't even need to put volume, and they don't need people in front. Just a microphone and imagination that they can talk and people are there in the front. Enough. They are in their best. They don't care whether the people in the front are sleeping, sitting, listening. No, nothing matters. If you are visualization excitement person, you will forget even your food by painting or dancing or carving. I still remember there was a period in my life just decorating deities. I'll forget day and night. I tell you, decorating deities physically and taking care of the cows physically is one of the best vatavarana for your muscle memory and biomemory. Anybody feels stuck in your life, feeling confused, stuck, confused, don't know what to do, no inspiration. Understand, when you don't have inspiration and you want to hold on to your outer identity, you want to continue to keep up your makeup and arrogance, you become worst cunning.